Good evening. This is Derek Klein with ExtremeWeatherPredictions.com bringing you a severe weather update for the severe weather outbreak we're expecting across Oklahoma throughout the afternoon and evening hours tomorrow. Again, right now it does look like we have severe weather that has developed in the Oklahoma and Texas panhandles for tonight into southwestern Kansas and southeastern Colorado. Those storms will actually develop into a complex of thunderstorms that will move to the south and east across most of Oklahoma tonight into tomorrow morning. This is not the main show that we are expecting for the severe weather, but it does look to bring some heavy thunderstorms across the state with some small hail, possibly up to the size of quarters, and 50 to 60 mile per hour winds, and some heavy rain too across the state. Those storms should move into the Oklahoma City area a little before sunrise, so it does look like we will have a wet drive into work tomorrow morning as those showers and thunderstorms will be around for most of Oklahoma throughout the morning hours. Then those will shift off to the east, and that's when we really begin to watch for our severe weather outbreak to take place. It does look like as those storms again move off to the south and east, the move out of the way, we'll have a dry line that'll set up across western Oklahoma. And out ahead of that dry line, we'll have severe weather that will begin to develop really somewhere around 3 to 4 o'clock in the afternoon. And those storms will move into central Oklahoma, which has a much better environment for wind shear in the atmosphere, along with instability and lots of moisture in the air. And then we're also, just to add to insult, we're going to have a warm front that will stretch across northern into central Oklahoma. And that will definitely help to increase the lower level wind shear in the atmosphere, which will increase the threat for tornadoes, especially across central Oklahoma as we head through the day tomorrow. Now, we have painted on here a potential for a high risk of tornadoes for tomorrow across all of central Oklahoma and south central Oklahoma, and even up into north central Oklahoma if the warm front can make it up that far to the north. Again, the threat for severe weather tomorrow includes very large hail, up to the size of softballs, violent tornadoes. Some of those will be long track tornadoes that may be on the ground for miles and miles, and really for quite a long extended period of time. And then also strong winds, especially as we head through the evening hours. The strong winds will really begin to take hold. So for Oklahoma City, this is basically what we're expecting. Starting out the morning around 60 degrees with showers and thunderstorms around, pretty much locked in, about an 80% chance of showers and thunderstorms for the morning drive. As we head towards the noontime hour, those storms should begin to move on off to the east, and we'll notice the sun begin to come out. Only up to 68 by noon, but with that sun breaking free, by 5 p.m. we'll be up to 78 degrees, and we'll be monitoring just to the west of Oklahoma City for that severe weather, or really possibly even moving into Oklahoma City about that time with 78 degrees. Again, the severe weather outbreak for tomorrow looks to take place here in central Oklahoma between 5 and 9 p.m., and again, we'll have southeast wind at 12 to 24 miles per hour. Now, the storms aren't just going to die out after 5 to 9 p.m. It does look like a cold front will move across the state for Wednesday night, firing more showers and thunderstorms along that cold front. Some of those could be severe. I wouldn't expect the tornado threat to be quite as high, but there could be a few severe thunderstorms with that as well. Down to 74 by 10 p.m. and 62 to start out the day on Thursday morning. So here's a look at your extreme forecast from Extreme Weather Predictions. Again, 78 tomorrow. Nearly a 100% chance of thunderstorms for tomorrow. Tornadoes look likely throughout the day for tomorrow, and large hail. The rain begins to move out on Thursday, 40% chance of rain, mainly for Thursday morning, up to 77 for a high on Thursday afternoon. And then we really begin to dry out and warm up as we head through the remainder of your forecast period. As you can see, 84 on Friday, up to 90 on Monday, with a low of only 70 on Monday. So it's going to be very warm, also very windy. There will be a dry line that'll set up Saturday, Sunday, Monday, and Tuesday out in the panhandles in western Oklahoma. There could be a few isolated storms that may develop in western Oklahoma during that time period. But for central Oklahoma, we'll keep it dry for now, expecting those thunderstorms to stay out to the west for that time period. So again, make sure to check back with Extreme Weather Predictions. We'll try to have an update available for you tomorrow morning on the latest on the severe weather outbreak that we are forecasting for tomorrow. And just make sure to stay tuned at ExtremeWeatherPredictions.com. Have a great evening.